Hello everyone, my name is Abhijna, studying in grade 10th A in Ganga Central School. Today I am going to interview my aunt, Mrs. Vanitha Chuntaru, who is an experienced senior human resources manager with a demonstrated history of working in the hospitality, education, real estate and NGO industry, skilled in management, employee engagement, recruiting, team management and HR policies. Before moving forward, let me explain the various sectors of the Indian economy. The Indian economy consists of three sectors called primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. The primary sector is the sector of the economy dealing with agricultural goods. The secondary sector transforms the products of the primary sector into a more usable and refined form by a process called manufacturing. The tertiary sector includes those activities that provide services to the above activities such as transport and communication. What did you study and can you explain about your career briefly?
Hi Abhijna, thanks for giving me this opportunity to talk about my career and profession and also how this profession contributes to our Indian economy. Coming to my education and career, I have done my post-graduations in social work from School of Social Work, Roshanelia, and I was specialized in human psychology, counseling, psychiatric social work, all that. I also have done my PG diploma in human resource development from IGNO University, and have done my UGC NET for an eligibility for teaching lectureship. As soon as I finished my post-graduation, started working at Hassan as a project coordinator. That job was mainly involved with the children, youth and women empowerment programs. And later on, I joined Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College for a teaching profession. I was teaching for postgraduate students of social work. I was there nearly 4.5 years. Later on, due to family reasons, I moved to Bangalore and I started working with Mallige Medical Center, one of the hospitals, as an HR officer. And from there, again, I got a break due to, again, personal reasons. And then I was from 2011 till 2020, I was working for Adarsh Realty and Hotels Private Limited as a senior manager HR. And currently, I have my own company called as Communi8, and this company is mainly involving in HR programs.
What is the best thing about your job?
Okay, best thing in my job is, see, in human resource department, we deal with the human beings. See, we are social animals. We like to talk, we like to interact, we like to live with a group of people. So same way here, human resource department is the one, we hire people, we recruit them, we supply the manpower to the companies. Based on the manpower we selected, we hired, the company will perform. So when we are hiring a person, we should have a right person to the right job on a right time. So same way, you might have seen in your place also, for rubber tapping, you'll have a different skilled person. For arecanut plucking also, you'll have a different skilled person. So each profession requires a different skills. So same way here, since in human department, when we recruit the people, we have to train them also. After hiring, we have to train. So I enjoy training part because see, most of the time, during training we will interact with them personally also, and we will learn from them also, because each and every person has got their own knowledge, their own experience. When they share with us, we will also grow. So that I enjoy most of the time training, because usually we give soft skills for our employees. Since I am dealing with the hospitality industries, here the soft skills are very much required. How to talk to the customer, how to interact with them, how to say no to the guest. There are many things involved in their profile. So I enjoy that because I too learn from them a lot of things, and many time after training they'll come to me and they'll discuss about their personal family problems. Then I'll counsel them and handle their grievance, like some fight between the employees, all that. So there even we learn many things. It helps me to grow even in my personal life as well as in my career too.
Is there anything that motivates you in your daily life?
Okay, here the motivation, okay, motivation is my job, my responsibilities. See, we are human resource department, we are the one making the policies for all our employees, like for example, attendance, punctuality, grooming, everything overall. So we have to set an example for others. They will learn from us. We have to be a role model to our employees. So, like for example, when it comes to an attendance, I have to be the first one to be there in the office. So people look, they'll see me and then they will follow that. And whenever I'll meet other colleagues, I wish them. So they learn that to respect. And in the morning when we see someone, we wish them, we smile at them. So that gives a kind of positive vibe. So going to the office is a motivation.
Can you tell us about your experience in this field?
My experiences in this field is very huge, to be frank, because see, we are the one hiring up people, right? So we are involving each and every employee's activities from the day they're joining the company till they resign, till they exit from the companies. So in between, there are a lot many activities are involved with them. So we closely assess them. For example, when it comes to the performance, and we will give the increment depending on their performance and the value which they have given to the company, all that. Also, when they are with us, actually see how machines also after usage of a long period, they might also get stuck, they might also have some problem. Same way here also, the human beings. Whereas after a certain time, we might, feel bored with doing the same job, with the same manager, with the same company, same policies, all that. So we have to keep updating our policies. So we have to keep changing our programs. So, or we should keep, conducting some employee engagement programs that will keep them happy. If an employee is happy, satisfied, then in return, the productivity also more. So here we will also learn like lot many things. We are growing with our employees, what gives them the best satisfaction. Accordingly, we will conduct our welfare programs. And I enjoy the most when I'm conducting an employee engagement programs like celebration of festivals or some conducting some competitions. See here, each and every employee will come and showcase their talents. So they're going back to their school days. We say that child ego, everybody is having a child ego. So this time actually they will enjoy. So this is, and we learn a lot from them, particularly in this time. So there is no end for learning in any field, to be frank. But in HR, since we deal with the different human beings with a different background, different culture, so we will also learn a lot many things from them.
What was your title when you first started working here?
First designation was in human resource department was with the Malagi Medical Center as HR officer, but that was an equivalent to an HR executive role. And but currently I'm having my own company, as I told you. It's called as a Community. I run a company and I am the director of that company. And here I give services to the other companies on recruitment and also on a policy making and advising on statutory upgradations and on labor laws. And also I am one of the grievance committee members to few of the companies. So this way I give my services. So whatever the experiences I earned, that is helping me out to give a service to the other companies right now. Thanks, Abhijna. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Wish you all the best.